Welcome back to Design Bundle's YouTube channel. My name is Crystal, and today we're going to talk all about things that you can make and sell with your Cricut. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and start off with t-shirts. You can make t-shirts to sell. You can make t-shirts that's one solid color, that's black or white, or you can even do multiple layers. You can do adult t-shirts, you can do toddler t-shirts, youth t-shirts, as well as baby onesies. You could personalize those with the names, you could do cute little quotes, you can do parent and child matching little t-shirts. There is just tons of options out there. Here's an example right here. Maybe you want to make a, back to school teacher gift. There's going to be nurses. The t-shirt market is a great area to get into. You can create your very own brand by having the funny quotes like so, or maybe you want to, like I said, have teacher gifts, nurses, holidays, Christmas, Halloween, and things like that. Tons of different options when it comes to t-shirts. Next up is drinkware. There is a ton of these across the board, from tumblers, water bottles, coffee mugs, and wine glasses. The drinkware market is such a great one to get into, so I do highly recommend you can go in and just do coffee mugs if you wanted to. Maybe you just want to go in and personalize tumblers like this. You could personalize them with people's names. You could do companies' logos on them. There's lots of different options. As you guys can see here, I did a pattern. So this is like a leopard print. So this is a tone on tone. Tons of different things to do like this. There's clear water bottles out there where you could do, like I said, someone's name, tons of different things. You could just add logos like this on them. This would be such a great teacher's gift. Lots of different markets, from reaching holidays to, teacher gifts, nurses, all of those kind of things. Once again, you have tons of different jobs, from bus drivers, you have electricians, you have construction workers, all sorts of different markets to reach inside of the drinkware. So when it comes to coffee mugs, everybody has them in their house and they get purchased quite a bit. So for example, this was made from the dollar store. This is a Dollar Tree mug. So I have maybe $1.25 in vinyl. So vinyl's 25 cents, $1 in the mug, $1.25 in this, and I can sell this for the minimum of $9.99, $10. So you have quite a bit of turnaround in the drinkware department. Same with this wine glass. You have $1 and it's going to sell for around $10. You could do $7.99, $10, all the way up to $15, sometimes even $30. So you could personalize them. I've purchased these from Etsy that'll have like the state on them. So you could put Texas on one and it'll have the ... and it'll have New Mexico. So that way friends can send them to each other as well. So I have personally purchased things like that to send across the states. So just a great department to get in is drinkware. Another great department is the candles. So you could make custom labels just like this and put cute little quotes on them. Maybe you want to do, your own custom labels and have custom candles that you're selling. This, for example, is from the dollar store, and I just changed the label and I can sell this right here in my boutique. So I've got $1 in it and I could sell it, so $5.99, $10 or something like that. Or, maybe like I said, you're creating your own candles. That's something that's very popular right now. So that may be something that you want to get into, and these sell very well. Another great one would be the acrylic keychains, as well as cell phone cases. These ones are always popular. Everybody has keys and everybody has cell phones. So this is a great area to get into. You could get tons of different cell phone cases that you can personalize, add people's names to, as well as customize. So for example, I could have done a pattern on here or just add like a little quote like this. When it comes to acrylic keychains, you can do stuff that's simple like this. You could personalize them with people's names on them, their company logos, as well as just doing patterns like this. So lots of different options there, and this is something that is very trending, and this has a very good profit as well. Another great one is the sign department. So you can make custom signs, once again, with a family's name on it. People like to purchase these for, housewarming gifts, or, they want to have nice ones for Christmas, Halloween. Once again, personalized or just super cute signs like this. So creating signs, once again, lots of good profit to turn around here and tons of different ideas. So definitely check out creating your own signs. Another great one would be tote bags. So this would be with the T-shirts and things like that, but you have tote bags. You could do little handbags, zipper bags, things like that. Once again, great for book bags, back to school backpacks. You could, personalize those if you want to. The zipper bags for the pencil pouches and stuff. Halloween bags like this are great. A lot of people like to get theirs personalized where you have a cute saying and then their name would be on the back. Little bags like this. A lot of people are going green and getting rid of those grocery bags. So a lot of people are liking to purchase these bags right here. So you could definitely put super cute quotes on them, or maybe you want to put their family's name or even a logo. So businesses may purchase these from you with their logo on them. So this is another great area that you could get into. In the clothing department, another fun thing is these socks. So this is something that sells, especially around the holidays, or they're perfect for putting into gift baskets. You could create little socks like this. So all you're doing is applying the HTV or iron-on the socks. So I'll show you guys a few different options here just to show you guys that there is lots of different options to be made with this in such great turnaround with these. So this is another thing to do in the apparel department. Another great one would be the kitchen department. So you have pot holders that you could do just like this. Lots of different options there. For example, this is a cutting board. You could do things like this along with the signs like I showed you before. You could do wooden spoons and personalize things like that, as well as tea towels. So you could purchase towels and you can add things on there as well. Holidays, once again, personalizing with people's last name, housewarming gifts, wedding gifts, things like that. Another great one would be leather earrings. Lots of different options there, and those are very trendy, as well as flowers. You could do paper flowers as well as felt flowers. Those are something that are always trending as well. So those are just a few things that you can make with your Cricut. Once again, lots of different options out there, but I just wanted to go ahead and throw a few out there to help inspire you to start your business with your Cricut. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.